you? My eyes hurt. Don't worry. Let me help you.
Oh no!
Protect your eyes and watch less television. Hello, I am Dr. Dudu. What can I do for you? Ah, my tooth aches.
Oh no!
Don't worry. Let me help you. It's important to keep your teeth clean. Remember to brush your teeth every day. Hello, I am Dr. Dudu. What can I do for you?
Oh no!
I got a cold. Don't worry. Let me help you.
Uh-oh! Oh no!
Keep warm while playing. Hello, I am Dr. Dudu. What can I do for you?
Oh no!
I got heat stroke. Don't worry. Let me help you.
Okay.
Find a shady spot to play.
Goodbye.